If you've been thinking about whitening your teeth and want to do it safely and cheaply at home, then some of these natural teeth whitening tips should help. Many people want to avoid the bleaching from home systems, gels and kits, and from the professional dental whitening at your dentist's office. Many people are sensitive also to the chemicals used and experience considerable pain after a professional bleaching. To be on the safe side, you may want to consider some of these ways to naturally whiten your teeth. Some of the tips are preventative measures, and you may be aware of a few. Regular dental cleaning appointments are one of the best ways to regularly whiten your teeth. Hardly anyone comes out of a dental cleaning without whiter teeth. If it's been a while, you may want to consider it. Every 6 months is not too soon, especially if you have stained or discolored teeth. Brush your teeth throughout the day and never skip a night no matter what. Even if you have to brush your teeth early. Many people are too tired at bedtime, so try brushing earlier. If you can brush right after every meal, this will help discourage stains you can get from foods and beverages such as coffee and tea. Plaque can discolor teeth. This will be scraped off during your dental cleaning, but carrying floss around with you and keeping some in the car will greatly help prevent the buildup and discoloration it can cause. Floss while you're watching TV if you can't find a time to do it regularly. Always drink a little water after meals and snacking. Spring water or filtered water is best without fluoride because it has been known to stain teeth. Of course, smoking can quickly discolor teeth, and if you smoke, you'll have a daily battle. Coffee, tea, wine and colas can all stain teeth. Always rinse your mouth with water after drinking any of these for whiter teeth. Besides these preventative tips, you can try rubbing on strawberries. This has worked well for some, it's reported. You need to make a paste out of a strawberry or two and apply it to your teeth. Let the paste sit for at least several minutes or so and then rinse. You may need more than one application to whiten your teeth. Try rubbing your teeth with the inside of an orange peel. Or use some lemon juice mixed with sea salt in a paste and rub it on. Make sure to swish some water around and rinse your mouth well. Don't leave the lemon juice on too long. A long-time home remedy for whitening the teeth has been a paste of baking soda and salt. But be careful, because it can be abrasive. Also be aware there are a few medications that can cause teeth discoloration. If you're on any medications, check to see if they could be causing your teeth discoloration, if you have any. These are just a few natural teeth whitening tips that you can use to prevent or treat discolored or stained teeth. Knowing how to prevent stains and discoloration and how to whiten your teeth naturally can save you a lot of money down the line. For more information how to whiten teeth at home, click the link in description.